Today I'm going to show you my virtual NFT gallery, which I have been working very hard on, and I am extremely excited to show all of you. So if you don't mind, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and shoot me a follow on Instagram because I'm trying to grow over there. So I first started thinking about making this whole NFT gallery when NFTs started becoming a little more popular earlier this year. After looking through a couple different examples of other people's virtual galleries, from one-page landing pages to 2D galleries to full voxels, which has to do with 3 dimensions, so you can kind of see depth a little more, which I think is super cool. I found Spatial, and Spatial, it essentially just met my expectations when it came to building this vision that I had. And after I saw some of their templates, I figured I could actually see myself creating my ideal gallery to showcase to all of you. So as you can see here, when you first go into the gallery, it's going to ask you if you want to join via audio or your camera, which this is available both on their application as well as straight through the internet on the website. You can find it on my website, benjitot.com. It's now one of the menus at the top, or the menu bar on mobile, but the mobile app is really nice. Maybe I should put a little screen recording of how nice it looks right here or something. I know I said I'd go on the Spatial app, so here we are. I should already be logged in, and this should be pretty quick, but don't sleep on this app. It's super nice. Super intuitive. It's just as intuitive as the website, a little bit easier in my opinion. Things are just loading up. You can see all the things that I've put in here just to make it look all pretty for you guys. So it's just tap and go. 2-finger spread to zoom in, and a 2-finger pinch to zoom out. You can clap, and you can talk and whatnot to other people that are in the room. So yeah, I hope to see you guys in there. So again, it does support desktop, mobile, straight through the website, also their application, and also it also is compatible with your AR or VR equipment, like the headsets and whatnot, which I think is super dope. I don't currently have one yet, but I cannot wait to get my own VR headset because I hear about my friends doing stuff with that gear all the time, and it sounds kind of fun. And after creating this whole gallery, I think it looks pretty luxurious, and you'll get to see in just a moment. So just being able to be in this space, especially something that I created, would be super awesome. So I'm going to first start out by continuing without audio or video. This is what I do most of the time, just so that there's no feedback, but this is really it. I mean, as you can see, it's pretty easy to use on the website. You just kind of drag the hand to aim, and then when you do a 2-finger scroll down, you zoom in to first person, and then go the opposite direction to zoom out. If you want to move, you can click in places, or you can use your up and down keys, your right and left keys, your AWDS, those keys, and then I believe it's, Q and E, those are to turn if you didn't want to use your mouse, or maybe you didn't have a mouse. So I think this is pretty intuitive. Right now, I don't have a lot of the stuff playing like this right here, for example. There's a lot of stuff I know that you can see with these play buttons on there, and that's just to save us some time so that stuff doesn't glitch and slow up. Some of this stuff I found on some websites for these 3D models, such as this Aston Martin, and some of the gear I kind of equipped with it. I put on some missiles, a Gatling gun, and I've just been kind of decking out the area. I'm almost kind of making this my future exhibit or future garage. I think it's just really neat. I know I'll be collecting a lot of art someday, and just being able to blow this stuff up as big as you want it to really create your own space is super cool. Some of these have sound. Now I want to just mention that all of these NFTs and whatnot, These say screen recording right there, as you can see. They're not mine. I screenshotted some of these from OpenSea, maybe Rarible here and there, just to fill up the real estate, to kind of give you an idea of what it's going to look like when I do get all of my NFTs in the space. All of these 3D figures you can find on Google. I found them on Sketchfab. That's where I've gotten majority of these, actually, from the spray can to all the cars, the cause, this little blow up dog over here. But yeah, this is really cool. We'll go over here really quick. I have like a reason for picking all of this stuff. It's a little nostalgic to me, but at the same time, it's just almost things that I remembered when I was younger, or maybe things that I've held on to at an older age too, but just things that remind me of other things. I just got creative with the space. Put the pterodactyl, I'm not gonna lie, I couldn't delete, but I like it there, and it reminds me of the Jurassic Park days, you know. This Earth is completely separate from the moon, and that is separate from the pterodactyl. This photo here, this one, I don't remember if that's an NFT actually. I meant to make it a wallpaper, and in order to make it look realistic, I had to get these, well, I made them in Photoshop. It's like a little, I used the brush tool in the color white, and then I just deleted the background in order to try and recreate the light hits, because when you put this photo over it, it was just pretty flat like it is down here. But yeah, this is a completely working project. I'm on it just about every day, adding one new thing, kind of taking it slow. It's just at a point now where I can actually showcase it to you guys a little bit and show off what I've been working on. So again, you can find this on my website, benjitot.com, and feel free to press play on any of these. I leave them on replay, that little green recycle type symbol, because it's nice to just see them restart. Some of them are really smooth, some of them are not so smooth, but regardless, you still kind of get the idea. I'd love to get more GIFs in here too, because they just don't stop, and it doesn't really take away from any aesthetic. But yeah, this is definitely a working progress. So again, feel free to stop by anytime. You'll probably see me. If there's anybody in the gallery at the same time as you, you will see them like this little person, which is me. And then you upload your photo, and it almost like makes your own face. It's funny. Some last things before I go, I guess tidbits on spatial. It's really intuitive on the app. Again, do not sleep on the app. I'm going to make sure that I put in a screen recording earlier in this video on how actually good it is to use, or how nice and intuitive it is. But you can jump with the spacebar, and then C is clap. And then if you would like to turn on your audio or your video at any time, you can do that and talk to other people. It's actually really cool. I've seen other people do this in other rooms, and really the only way you get access to my room is if you have a link to it as of right now. I'm pretty sure that's how it is. Should be pretty private for me. But yeah, that's about all I got for you guys. Last notes on this video, I am going to be making a video on this piece of art right here. It was done by my buddy Sean. Here's his signature. Oh, here's his signature right there. And I created it into an NFT. It was scanned and all that, and I have most of the footage done. I'm just going to wrap it up, and I'll be posting that pretty soon. But this Tom and Jerry, it's called Supreme Player. The Supreme Player piece of art here, and then the Crypto Lisa over here are both NFTs that I have minted myself, and they are from my Ethereum address. They're also on OpenSea if you ever want to check them out. Yeah, but that's really about all I got for you guys. If you like this video, please again give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, whatever your favorite application is. I'm probably there. And yeah, stay cool, you guys. Here's this one, and I'll leave you with that next to the GTR, and I'm pretty sure this is like crypto playing basketball against fiat. Game party in a home, a birthday party. All right, guys. Benji Tot over and out. I'll catch you soon.